malong. Ang makulay, parang tubong damit na ginamit bilang isang palda ng mga katutubong tribo, bilang kapalit ng isang kumot o bag na natutulog. It is the traditional clothing of the Maranao people. Ang malong ng Maranao at ang Maguindanao ay maaaring gawa sa seda para sa mga okasyong seremonyal o cotton para sa pang-araw-araw na pangsusuot. Maranao malong can be grouped into two general kinds, with dyed design as seen on the left and without dyed design on the right. For everyday wear, the malong is usually made of cotton, with simple plaids and stripes as preferred patterns. The more elaborate malong made of silk in colors of red, purple, and yellow is worn for ceremonial occasions. In the past, yellow was reserved for the local royalty. Among traditional tribal peoples of Mindanao, the malong is used in everyday life. The malong is worn during very big festivals. They wear this to show respect. Filipino Muslim dances, such as the Kapa Malong-Malong, are marked by intricate hand and arm movement along with shimmering costume. The Kapa Malong-Malong consists of a group of women going through the motions of various ways of wearing the malong. The Kapa Malong-Malong, also called Sambi sa Malong. The dance shows the many ways of wearing a malong, a simple, tubular yet highly functional piece of cloth.